Hey guys, it's Val with Val's Curious Compass. I wanted to go over a few things that we found more helpful during our cruise. We did play bingo. We did not win. We played bingo. I did bring our own bingo markers, and I brought one for each of us so that we wouldn't have to buy the ship's bingo marker. Which, I mean, it's fine if you want to use it, but you know, you can use these at home as well. Another nice item to bring is things for your steward or the people that take care of you. It could be your steward, it could be your wait staff, the crew that make your cruise that much more special. You want to find a nice way to appreciate them. So I brought a pack of thank you notes, thank you cards, and we also brought a few bags of the Ghirardelli candy squares. We also put some cash with our cards, so just a nice way to thank your wait staff, your steward, anybody that made your cruise extra special. Think about the people that work hard, and they do work hard. This one's for the bathroom. If you're sharing a cabin with someone, something nice you might want to do. You might want to get some poopery. This is the travel size, a little spray. You just spritz a little spray in the toilet before you go. You're being respectful of the person that's with you so you don't stink up the room too much. If you are doing any type of swimming, especially near any reefs, they would like you to have Reef-Safe Sunscreen. We got the Blue Lizard, we got the spray, the cream, and then this is a stick that's easily applicable to your face, or if you just want to apply it in small spots. But the Blue Lizard is a brand that is deemed Reef-Safe. And there are others out there you can use. This is just what we used. Another must-have for us, there's a lot of illnesses and viruses that are easily spreadable and contracted, so we bring the Clorox wipes. We start the We bring the Clorox wipes. We start the cruise off by wiping down the whole room, anything that might be the knobs, the top surfaces, remote control, anything that you might need to touch that other people have touched and you want to prevent the spread of infection. Wipe it down with some Clorox wipes. And it's good to just have on hand to wipe as you go. If you make a mess or something, you want to clean up your area. Another thing that I found was helpful, they have these multi-pack magnets that have circles and they come in different sizes, and the bigger ones hold more stuff. We like to put our fun times and the things that are happening and important information on the wall. That way it's easily accessible and we can read it and get our information quickly without having to rummage through all of our items. A new item that I got on this cruise that I didn't have before are these vacuum seal bags. It comes with its own mini vacuum. You just press the button right there and it sucks the air out. It is USB-C chargeable. All right, so we're gonna seal the bag here. It comes with these little red clips, one for each bag. There's a little screw cap here, where the seal is, and you place your vacuum right on there, and you turn it on. Look how condensed that gets. It's amazing. Put the cap back on, and now that is your vacuum sealed closed. You're going to be able to utilize the space in your luggage that much more. So in the staterooms in Carnival, I'm here on the Valor, they have upgraded the lamps to have the USB ports and the USB-C ports along with the regular 110 volt plug. One of the things that I do, I get a USB hub. So there's 5 connections here. This is an Atola hub. That's good for charging multiple things at the same time. And continuing on with our plugs, this came as a 2-pack. I think you can get it as a 1-pack, but it first starts with the USB, and if you don't have access to a USB, it pulls out, and then you can use the USB-C. And at the end of that connection, it branches off into 4. And there's different types you can get, but I have an Apple Watch, so I got one with the watch charger. And then I also have the old Apple phones. I had an iPhone 11 and it needed this one. These are also good for charging the Apple EarPods. And then there's 2 more connections left. So that's a lot of connections through one USB or USB-C port. Another hack is to get a universal plug. The plugs in the stateroom have 2 outlets. And as you can see, There is a 110 volt, and then there's a 220 volt. We can use our multi-country plug to access both of those outlets. These magnetic hooks, I know a lot of people show these in their videos. The walls are magnetic, so you can just put those on the wall. If you have your lanyard, you know, that's a good place to hang your lanyard if you want to just keep it in sight so you don't, you know, lose it in the bed or anything, so you have easy access to it. Another thing that it's good for, they're good for is like if you have a overshirt or like a cover up for your swimsuit, you can just hang it right on these hooks, and that way it's easy go. They do have a couple of hooks, but you might need some more. Thanks so much for watching. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you used any of the items we mentioned in this video? What's one cruise essential that never leaves your suitcase? Share your best cruise tip or packing hack in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Val's Curious Compass, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future adventures. Until next time, stay curious, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.